Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Sagittarius for the month of April. Let's see what's going on, or what sort of news is coming towards your way in the month of April. So the first card that I have for you guys is the 8 of Cups. So I feel like especially when it comes to your finances, or when it comes to your career, it does seem like a lot of you had an opportunity to make some extra cash, or there was an opportunity for a promotion, but it does seem like you are walking away. Maybe if you were waiting for a job for uh, for a little while, you finally got an opportunity, but it did not match your expectations. So it does seem like there is a sort of disappointment, or there's this feeling where you feel that you're not enough, like whatever you have with you is not enough, and you're walking away from it. Not really like away, but you're taking the time out to figure out what you want, and how you want things to grow in your life. The next card I have for you is the Ace of Cups. Now, this I feel like for a lot of people there might have been frustration, or there could be some kind of stress at work, because of which what is happening is you guys have finally decided that you want to go the emotional way, and you want to do what makes your heart full of joy, something that you enjoy doing. So for a lot of you people, it does seem like you are going to quit your job. This is only for a very small group. You are going to be quitting your job, and you are going to be moving towards something that you actually desire. And at the bottom of the deck I have the Emperor card, which tells me you are going to be the king, because you are being backed by your emotions. So for these two are cups, and finally you have the fire sign. So this is that not point where you have water and you have fire together. So a lot of steam is going to be produced, and I think you walking out here is actually telling me that you're going to take the time out to relax, to detox, to burn off some steam, so you can come back and get into this leadership, this boss mode. Now, this could also mean that some of you might have to travel for work, but it's not for all. It's for a very small group. For a lot of people who are applying for jobs, and you have not been successful, what I do see is the only way you guys can be successful is that if you apply for jobs that you really connect with emotionally. The next card that I have for you guys is the Judgment card. The Judgment card coming here tells that for some of you, the relationship you have with your employer or with your future employer is going to be a karmic relationship. So a karmic relationship does not only happen with two between two lovers. Yeah, you might want to change that idea if you have that, because karmic relationship can be with anyone. It could be with your father, it could be with your mother. But because we are doing sort of like a career reading, so for many of you it could be with a potential boss, a potential colleague, or a potential supervisor that you're going to be interacting with. You are going to bump into this person because you are meant to bump into them. The next card that I have for you guys is the 5 of Cups. See, again there is some sort of disappointment that is happening for you guys. It's like whatever you want you're not getting in, and that's kind of leaving you disappointed over and over again. And at the bottom of the deck I have the Ace of Swords. So Ace of Swords is you're finally going to find a breakthrough. Now the thing is, what you have to kind of look at is there's a consistency, because even here you're going in a loop. Even here you're sort of like going in a loop, and you're finally getting the breakthrough. And breakthrough is only going to come when your emotions are turning your life topsy turvy. Now when it comes to money, when it comes to things like that, what I am seeing is that I don't the only way I see money flowing to you is when you start paying more attention to your emotional needs in terms of your finances and your career. So if you don't like something in your job, I think it's time that you take the time out, you really talk to yourself, and you really figure out what makes your soul happy or what makes your heart happy, and then invest your time accordingly. Let's see what other messages I am getting for you guys. The next message that I have for you guys is the Lovers card. See, over and over, I think it's the same message that's coming. So, Lovers card also say, for a lot of you, I think you could be doing this job for the sense of security. A lot of you could be married, and you are continuing doing that job because it gives you that sort of emotional security, or this particular job that you're doing is a it's giving you like emotional blanket. It's providing you that blanket where you don't have to get out of your comfort zone. So getting out of your comfort zone is very important. The next card I have for you is the High Priestess. Now, High Priestess tells about where you have to think, where you have to sit and you have to think. I do feel like a lot of you a lot of cards are related to emotions a lot, and related to logic. I'm not sure if you guys always wanted to be guidance counselors, teachers, or somebody who guides people, who does it. And even at the bottom of the deck, I have the Knight of Cups, so a lot of water energy here. Now, this is what the operational cards are like, but let's take a look at these cards that we have, which depict the overall energy of the situation. We have the Emperor. That means you're finally recognizing that you have that spark, you have that magic within you that needs to be manifested, and that manifestation is going to happen very soon. Now, if I have to say how soon, I would say at least the month of April. Like, this particular month is very prominent for you. The next important month is going to be the month of May, and then finally we are going to be looking at the month of November, which is going to be important for you. This month you are definitely going to receive some kind of good news in terms of your career. Either you are going to get an opportunity, especially for people who have been paying attention to their emotions when it comes to job and their career. They are definitely going to be receiving an offer. A lot of you people could also start something of your own. So those entrepreneurs and all, I do feel like your energy will be very strong in the month of April. From Moonology deck, the first thing I have for you is expect powerful change. Just what I was telling you, right? Some change is coming, sort of a breakthrough is coming, but you also have to get out of this loop that you keep going on. For some people, I feel like you feel like that you are not given the due respect or the due appreciation for all the work you do. And a lot of you could be underpaid. A lot of you might not be appreciated for all the hard work you have done. But don't worry, it's a phase, it is going to pass. And that is a karmic relationship, it's a karmic debt that you are paying, and there is a lack of appreciation in it. So don't worry, things, as soon as your debt is over with this person, or this company, or this particular situation that you are in, you're finally going to start receiving appreciation. You will receive your money if it's stuck. So those things are very prominent. The next card I have for you is a time to give rather than take. See, I told you, you have to give more right now, and only then in the future you are going to receive. Now, for a lot of you, this karmic debt, I think the person this could be with could be a Virgo sign, could be a Gemini, could be an Aquarius, could be a Libra, Sagittarius, or an Aries. And it could be a woman. So I think with this showing up, a woman seems very prominent. So I feel like you have a debt, or if you have been withholding payment from someone, make sure you make the payment, so whatever stuck in your life doesn't remain stuck anymore and things keep moving. Don't forget to check your horoscope by your date of birth, and I'll see you guys next time.